Hi, my name is Salama, and today I'll be taking you through 5 simple steps to becoming a UN volunteer. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to app.unv.org. This is where the adventure begins. Step 2. Welcome to the homepage. Here, you will find all the information you need to start your UN volunteering journey. To get started, click on the Sign Up button at the top right corner. Next, click on Sign Up Now. Step 3. Navigate to your email inbox and check for the verification code sent to you. Highlight and copy the code or write it down. Paste or input the code in the space provided here, then click on Verify Code. Once verification is done, input a strong but memorable password. Fill out the information below and remember to accept the terms and conditions, then click on Create. Step 4. On this window, click on the radio button that reads, I'm a candidate. This is because you're applying to be a UN volunteer. Click on Continue to proceed. Fill in all required information about yourself in the template. Most of this information is already in your CV. All you need to do is copy and paste. Remember to always update your profile. When you're done entering all your information properly, click on Submit. Step 5. Proceed to the DOA section. DOA stands for Description of Assignment. In this section, feel free to browse through the posted opportunities and pick out the one that you qualify for. To make your work easier, you can use the filter option to narrow down your search to the exact opportunities you're looking for. Once you find what you need, click on Apply. Fill out the required information and apply. That's it. You successfully signed up as a UN volunteer and applied for your first opportunity. Keep checking your email for the next steps.